Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got something really cool here with me. This is the Alliance Designs mini slim Pickins with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content, because look at this, what we have in the house. Alliance Design, welcome to the Alliance. Really cool box, and there's a nice pouch inside. Not only a box, padded pouch with some cool fuzzy texturing embroidered logo, and inside you've got this beauty here. Come on guys, this is the slim mini slim Pickins, sorry, Alliance Design in a full dress. Fantastic leather moku tie scale. This is a button lock, so both scales are milled out from solid chunks of moku tie. Look at the clip. Come on guys, would you look at this clip? Very unobtrusive flipper tab. Nick Shabazz is gonna love this guy. This is Thor Damasteel with a deep hollow grind. Alliance Design logo, nice jimping. Look at this shape, look at this aggressive swedge going on over here. I mean, this is not a big knife, but it's an expensive one for sure, because this was around $1,400, so not a cheap one, absolutely. Overall length of this one is going to be 7 inches with the 2.8 inch long blade and roughly 4.2 inch long handle. Full dress, moku tie scales, zirconium backspacer. Would you look at this geared backspacer going on? The clip is just outstanding. Look at the colors going on there. It's phenomenal. This is a beautiful button lock, which means you have a button right over here with the a notch that is blocking the blade from closing and from opening. So when in the closed position, you get a detent. There's two detents actually on this one. When you are in the open position, you're still gonna have the button lock, but as soon as you remove the button lock, there's no drop shot effect like, for example, you would have in any other button lock. Not any other, but for example, the Schmuck from Spyderco, the same thing, has dual detent system, so to avoid unwanted deployment, or like just to add an extra layer of safety, I guess, in the closing department. Flipper tabs, very inobtrusive, little knife, great sound. It's snappy, it has a good ergos as well. You can also use like this guy as a finger choil, runs on bearings. It's a very neat, classy, expensive, clean and sleek one. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.